Have you been wondering how people are creating these ultra-realistic AI videos for free? Yes, I mean for free. Especially videos like this Akara seller. Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how I create this particular realistic AI videos from scratch. Let's get started. Using your Chrome browser, Safari, or any browser of your choice, you go over to Gemini. Look for it on Google. Gemini. You search for it. First of all, you look for your email, what you want to use. So I'm using my email, but I make sure I change it to light mode so that everybody can see what I'm actually doing. Yes, so that is why normally I change it, because I'm a fan of dark mode. Yeah, thumbs up to me. So I'm actually using the pro, but you can use the free version because Gemini always give credit each day for free users. So in order to make this work easy for everybody, I had to delete my video. Yes, I had to delete to start afresh so that everybody can see it. From here, you can see the date. I deleted it. I deleted it so that you too, you can create yours. So you just need your face. So you tap on this try now or better, then your work begins. When you tap on it, it takes you to create an avatar that looks and sounds like you. So you agree. Tap on agree. If you tap on no thanks, you have to go back. So tap on agree, then it will wait for some time. Ask you to open your camera and microphone access. So you must allow it so that it can see your face. Then tap on allow. That place wrote allow. ALLOW. Tap on it. Then your face will show. This is my face without lightning. So you have to call out the number so that it can catch up your voice. So I called out the number, about 4 numbers repeatedly. When it grabs your voice, then you go over to your face. It will tell you to turn your face like from the left side to the right side, to the up, to the forward side till it's perfect. Make sure you stay in a place where there's lightning. If not, it will not work, and make your voice very audible so that it will give you realistic videos when you are done. So this is my own input. I made sure I did it over and over again till it gave me exactly what Gemini wanted. So that's it. So after he said look forward for some about 5 minutes thereabouts, it can be very annoying. But once you are good, you are good. And it will tell you good exactly. So you wait for about 10 seconds. Then after that, it will tell you to leave the app. You leave the app. Then it will tell you to close the app or leave the app, any of them. Then you are good to go. Then you can now create your own AI video. So after that, we went over to Gemini. We tapped on avatar. Yes, that place wrote avatar. Your name will come out and you can start creating your video. So I told it, so let's create a video of me preaching AI to my Facebook audience, because Facebook is one of the platforms I use most often. So I want to talk about artificial intelligence to my audience. So let it create a 10 seconds video for me. So I said create a video of me preaching about AI and the importance of artificial intelligence to my audience. That's a very basic prompt, and it was able to do that for me without stress. So View 3 has actually improved so much. In View 3, there's a model called Omni. It's the model that give you this work and give you the great input. You leave it for like about 5 minutes and voila, you get an amazing result. In AI video creation, you just need to be patient enough. If you're not patient, you won't get the result you want. So if you are here listening to me and my voice and you're interested in one-on-one coaching, send me a DM today so we'll get started. Because this journey of AI, you need someone to guide you. You need someone, because there are lots of YouTube videos all over the net, but you need someone that will hold you by your hands and bring you to what you want.
Hello everyone. Today,
let's listen.
Artificial intelligence is not just a trend, it's our future. It's revolutionizing work. Embracing it is key to our growth.
After our video is ready, you tap on this 3 button, download your video, and you go over to CapCut to edit your work and post on your social media platform. See you in my next video. Bye.